Hi everyone, in this video I will show how you can fix proximity sensor setting or problem on Samsung Galaxy A16. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.